Okay, so here are what the bundles look like from Wiggins Hair Company. I just love how they packaged these. So I got an 18, 20, and a 22 inch plus an 18-inch closure. And once I finished washing the hair, it basically has a nice wavy texture to it. And then this is me kind of just going in and making the wig myself. It took like around a couple hours to make this one because there was a lot of hair, but they do give you a lot of wefts, you know, just for what you're buying. Now I was working on 2 different wigs at the same time, so as you can see, I'm just bleaching the knots. Whenever I have multiple wigs, I just like to do them all at once because it is a lot faster. And here are more clips of me just going ahead and making the wig. I was halfway done at this point. As you can see, I also put in little pins just to hold the hair in place as I'm going, and I'm just going over and under for the entire way through. And because the hairline was not customized enough, in my opinion, I had to go in myself and pluck. Now I could have plucked more, but I just plucked enough to where I was comfortable. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a new hair video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this huge wig with so much hair. I would say that this is almost 200% for the density, and I did make this wig on my own. This is from Wiggins Hair Company, so they're really awesome. The hair did come with, I think, lashes and also a keychain. This is their loose wave. I got this in a 18-inch closure, and then I think there were 3 bundles, so 18, 20, and a 22. So the hair actually does seem a lot longer on me, honestly, just because usually whenever you make your own wigs on your own, the very long part goes all the way in the back and it actually seems a bit longer. So this kind of fits me more like a 26-inch. It kind of hits me right at my waist here, especially if I have to straighten it, it would be a lot longer, but I wouldn't want to do that with this hair. It's meant to be really wavy and big, so yeah. How I sew the wig and also how I bleach the knots on it and everything. This was a bit more difficult for me to sew because the hair was so big and it was so wavy, but it was really pretty. Whenever you first get the bundles, it looks like a spiral and it looks like the curl is going to be really tight, but after you go ahead and wash it, you get this kind of hair texture and it's just really nice loose waves. The hair is really thick, so with 3 bundles, you can get yourself like almost a 200% for the density, so just know that you're getting a lot for what you pay for. And yeah, this is a lot of hair. Like if I put it all to one side, this is how much hair you're getting. It's so heavy too, so that's how it's looking like. But it's really pretty, it's really soft, I can run my fingers through it, so there's no issues there. As far as shedding, there's only a little bit, but it's not a lot where I feel like it's a problem. It is on the curlier side, so you will get a little bit more shedding than if it was straight. Now I did have to go in and pluck some hair in the front. I didn't pluck too much. I feel like I could honestly do more. The frontal doesn't come very customized, so you will have to honestly do that on your own and make sure that you have it looking somewhat decent. It's not a frontal, this is actually a closure. Also, the bundles do come really thick, so you're getting a lot of hair for each one. It's not thin at all, so just know that you are getting a good amount for what you're paying for, but that's still perfectly fine. I just put it as a side part for me personally. So for the 18-inch hair closure, it's going to be $51.92. So for the total for this hair, for the closure and the bundles and everything, it's going to be $196.02. And it does have a lot of volume at the top as well. So I did go ahead and I've already flattened everything down. Personally, I just use a spray bottle when it comes to curlier hair. I don't really flatten it too much with anything else at the top. Usually that kind of does the job for me. And the shipping and everything took really fast for me. For some reason, this hair company shipped it with just in a few days, so I've had this hair for a little bit. I just didn't make the video until now, but they did ship really quickly. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like also in the back. As I said, there's so much, it's so heavy. There's literally so much of this. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the hair review. If I have any more things that I missed, I'll just go ahead and do a voiceover for that part. But that's going to be it for this one. I will be doing an update video on this hair really soon and show you guys how I style it, because it is a lot of hair and it's really big. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this hair down below as well, and you guys can go ahead and watch this video, and this should help with styling it and how to sew it and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, and bye.